welcome back to Sew Aldo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to thread a sewing machine, specifically Brother Lock 1034D. The method that I'm going to show you is super easy. Just make sure that you have threads on your sewing machine already. So this is how you can easily switch the threads without really fully rethreading the sewing machine, because it can be a little intimidating, especially if you are a beginner. So as you can see here, I'm going to switch the thread spools because on the right side they're on the thinner side and on the left side they're thicker. So I'm just going to switch them so I can even out the usage of the threads. Here we go. I am going to cut the threads just on the front right here. Just want to make sure that you have enough tail at the back so you can easily tie the threads together later on. Then I will remove the thread spools. Now let's do a switcheroo. So as you can see here, they're still a little thick. So this is like a good way to even out your thread spools so you don't run out really fast. So remember your settings. Mine was set at 5, but it's usually on 4. The other day I was playing with my machines, so I forgot to put it back on the right setting. Then you are going to turn the dial to 0. We'll open up the disc and we're going to be able to thread the thread guide properly. We'll start from right to left. Sorry, the camera is cut off. I wasn't able to show you the top portion. But it's so easy. You're just going to feed the thread through the loop and then you are going to tie the ends of the thread. Same goes to the rest of the thread spools. Okay, let's talk about this sewing machine for a little bit. This was actually my very first serger or overlocker. I got this around 2015 and I haven't had any problems with it, knock on wood, but this machine is very user friendly. Let me tell you, it was intimidating at first, but then once I got the hang of it and I got comfortable with the machine, it's actually very easy and it is like my favorite. I have 2 of these already because I just love it. See, this is the tail now. So I'm just going to pull it. So this is the first one. Okay, the second one. Okay, this is the second one. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I got the tail already. It's already out. I'll put it back. So these two are going to be tricky because the tail is not going to be able to get through the eye of the needle. And then once you got a nice thread there, you're going to put it and then pull the rest out. Okay, so I got that. So now I am going to do the same thing with the other one. Here I'm just threading the inner needle. Next is the outer needle. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing because I am blocking the view. I'm sorry for that. Then I am going to lift up the presser foot and I'm going to bring all the thread tails at the back and kind of under the presser foot. You might need a tweezer for this, but my fingers are kind of small. Then I am going to turn the dial to 4, my original settings. Turn it on, and now let's test it out. So you are simply going to perfect. Look at that. See how easy. And that is how you thread a serger or a sewing machine, like a shortcut way. If you want me to show you how to actually thread this deal right here, let me know in the comments down below. That is it for today, and I hope you like this video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to share it, likes, and maybe save it for later use. Thanks so much for joining me today. I totally appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!